Hey everybody, Ian here from Fraser Ford in Coburg, and today I'm going to be showing you my demo. So I've been driving this for about the last 8,000 kilometers. It's been an amazing vehicle, and I can vouch for it that it hasn't had any issues at all. Also, I drive these vehicles like a little old lady. I take amazing care of them, and you know it's going to be perfect. More importantly, you are going to get an amazing deal. These demos, we can discount them huge. Plus, you'll still get Ford's subvented rates. In this case, 0% interest up to 72 months. Also, if you call me specifically, I'm even going to talk to you about possibly throwing in these amazing winter tires that I've been using over the winter as well. Okay, so starting out with the color, it's azure gray. I love this color. I kind of love my blues and some of these unique colors that Ford has had over the last couple of years, so I think it looks great. The interior is ebony roast, which I think is my favorite out of the two interior options that are available on this vehicle. So it's got these nice brown accents with black inserts on the seats. It's also got a heated steering wheel, heated seats, wireless charger, adaptive cruise lane keeping, lane centering, an 8-inch touchscreen display, and it's even got a power moonroof as well. One of the things that people love most about the Bronco Sport is the uniqueness of the cargo area. So you can access the cargo area by popping the glass like this. And when you open the tailgate, everything back here is protected. So I look at this as a weekend adventure companion. So the seat backs are covered, the floor is rubberized, so your groceries are not going to slide around at all. And then you've also got this really cool little bottle opener there if you're ever camping and you want to crack something to drink. And it's even got a tow package. Finally, my secret weapon this winter, since it's been so harsh, are these winter tires. So it comes with alloy rims, and these are Michelin X-Ice tires. These have been absolutely amazing, especially with the all-wheel drive system that we have in the Bronco Sport. So when you give me a call, I'm going to talk to you about not just a discount that we can give you off this vehicle, but throwing in these babies as well. So there it is. Give me a call if you're interested. My number's below. Be happy to get you any information that you need about pricing, payments, down payments. If you want to put money down, you don't have to. Trade values, you name it. And we can do most of this stuff right on the phone. I'm going to make it super easy for you. When you're ready to test drive, we can meet at the dealership, or I can meet you and we can take it for a test drive so you don't have to come in. So again, my name's Ian, Fraser Ford Coburg. Give me a shout or email. Talk to you soon.